This February, we went to Weatherford Fire Department with 99.7 The Wolf to celebrate Weatherford Fire Department becoming that month's Fire Station of the Month. So sit back and watch as we get a tour of the entire station. They even cook for us, so we have a whole cooking video in this. We also got to follow around the little puppy dog you see there, RIT the fire dog. We go through all of the trucks, the whole building. And again, thank you to Weatherford Fire Department and 99.7 The Wolf.
This is our kitchen, dining room area.
We're having some breakfast casserole. We got that in the oven right now, and then we're cooking some sausage links.
How many people y'all have to cook for each time?
Usually about 6 or 8, just kind of depending on how many guys we got on shift for that day, and the chiefs usually eat with us as well.
I need to get one. It's sweet. Would you like to explain the casseroles? This is our day room. This is our training room. This is our front admin area. Our lieutenant's office is in here. This is the chief's office. This is my office here. I'm gonna hold him while I do this. Sorry.
I think it'd be cute if you were holding the puppy.
Let the fire dog, let the fire dog, let the fire dog, let the fire
So,
dog.
RIT, like in the fire service, do you know what it means? Rapid Intervention Team. So we just did a vote with the guys, and they actually chose that name. We had 5 different names for them to choose from, and they all liked the name RIT. So that's what we went with.
Hey, RIT.
Let the fire dog, let the fire dog, let the fire dog, let the fire dog.
This is the deputy chief's office. This is our captain's office.
So this is the gym room, pretty nice addition. It's kind of like a CrossFit type setup. Got sauna over here. These are like kind of the dumbbells. This is your more of your aerobic kind of training right here. You got the treadmill and the bikes. Got the ski machine over there and behind you.
I have like
And more of the CrossFit kind of setup. So, yeah. Couldn't really ask for a better setup out of like one singular station, in my opinion.
Wildfire season is approaching in Oklahoma, and our local volunteer fire departments need support now. As conditions grow hotter and drier, volunteer firefighters are preparing for long, demanding responses to keep our communities safe. They rely on donations of bottled water, electrolyte drinks, and non-perishable snacks to stay fueled on the fire line. Monetary donations are also critical to help provide the tools and resources they need. If you see your local volunteer fire departments hosting a fundraiser, a pancake supper, fish fry, or any other community event, don't wait, show up and support them. This message is brought to you by the Oklahoma State Firefighters Association, standing with those who stand ready to protect us.
There we go.
I think that was good.
Yep.
Really good.
Doesn't she have to a howl?
Ow. Thank you.
I might split it up into 2 and 3s, but I can listen to it.
Okay, or you want me to read faster?
Well, the one reads faster, very fast. No, I might be able to just split it up
Okay.
into 2, because is that the only one you had?
Yeah.
The wildfire safe?
Those other two were both like pretty similar to the other ones. I just didn't know if you were wanting new ones.
We can do it if we want to.
I mean, it doesn't.
Just to have them. Let's just do them just to have them.
Okay.
So, all right, I got it. So anytime you're just
Wildfire conditions in Oklahoma can turn dangerous in minutes. Dragging chains on the highway can throw sparks. Tossing cigarettes out a window can ignite dry grass in seconds. One small mistake can turn into a fast-moving wildfire. In fact, most wildfires in Oklahoma are human-caused, especially during hot, dry, and windy conditions. The Oklahoma State Firefighters Association reminds you to do your part. Secure trailer chains, properly dispose of smoking materials, and stay aware of fire conditions before you head out. Wildfire safety starts with simple choices, and those choices can protect and save homes, land, and lives.
Ooh. Maybe about public speaking. Oh, that was good. I was like, oh, yeah.
Well, I did take public speaking classes.
That's why you're good at what you do.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, go for that one.
Firefighters run toward danger every day, but the hardest battles aren't always on the fire ground. Mental health challenges affect Oklahoma firefighters at alarming rates. Stress, trauma, and long hours take a toll, and too many go without support. The Oklahoma State Firefighters Association is taking action through our No One Fights Alone campaign, providing critical resources, support, and funding to help firefighters get the help they need. Supporting mental health isn't optional, it's essential. If you're a firefighter struggling, or you know one who is, speak up, reach out. Help is available. Strength isn't doing it alone, it's knowing when to ask for help. For more information, visit us at osfa.info.
That last one, say it a little slower. Visit OSFA.
For more information, visit us at osfa.info.
Perfect. That'll work. Run out. Ooh. All right, she's good.
Is that good?
She is good. I'm out.